basically what's going on in this experiment is imagine that we're shooting paintballs through a window, right? So you're shooting paintballs through a window, and what you expect to see is that the paintballs are going to go, and they're going to go in the formation of the window. But what happens is basically when you just, let's say you leave the paintball gun shooting and shooting and shooting, and what happens is it starts to form this pattern as it's like, oh, the paintball could go here, the paintball could go here, the paintball could go here. And then when you put a camera to see why is the paintball acting like that, it starts shooting like you expect it to. So the whole thing is the act of observing and putting the camera in front of the paintball is gonna change the absolute way it goes because you're looking at it. So a lot of people argue that consciousness is involved, but a lot of people argue that it's not involved. You know what I mean? And you say you're on the fence about it, right?
Well, I'm not really on the fence. I would say consciousness is involved, right? But it's difficult to say to what extent, because you cannot separate consciousness out from any science in principle. It's impossible to separate because we do science through consciousness, including a measurement.